Compare a dandelion to a gum tree. Quite different, aren't they? One is a small plant near the ground. The other is a tall, woody tree. Both are successful in their environments and can photosynthesize and reproduce, but each can be seen to demonstrate different strategies associated with being a plant. Plants exist in a variety of different growth forms and can be broadly classified into several key types. You have herbaceous plants, or herbs. These are the non-woody plants. They're often fast-growing, as they do not need to spend time developing wood in their stems. These are the grasses and a lot of the common weeds. Then you have the shrubs. These are small woody plants that have multiple stems that arise from near the ground. Finally, you have the trees. These are large woody plants that generally have a single main stem. But beyond the physical differences, plants have different strategies to maximize their fitness in their environment. A plant can maximize their lifetime fitness by making trade-offs between growth and reproduction. One key difference in the life history strategies among plants is their lifespan, or how long they take to complete their life cycle. Some plants are able to germinate, grow, and reproduce within a year. These are the annuals. After these plants set seed, they die back. These plants have very rapid generation times. On the other hand, you have the perennials. These plants live for many years and can flower and reproduce seed over growing seasons each year. The generation times for perennials is often much longer. A few plants are biennials, with a life cycle that spans 2 years. This is the rarest lifespan strategy. These plants spend their first year developing their vegetative parts. They then spend their second year developing their reproductive structures. Another key difference in the life history of plants is the variation in reproductive strategy. Some plants only reproduce once before death. These are considered semelparous. Other plants are able to reproduce over successive reproductive cycles. They are considered iteroparous. In semelparous plants, part of a strategy involves investing all available resources into maximizing reproduction at the cost of future lifespan. This is the strategy of annual and biennial plants, and rarely certain perennials. In iteroparous plants, reproduction is split over the years and does not come at the cost of lifespan. This strategy is often used by perennial plants. With such diverse strategies, it's important to note that there is no single best way in being a plant. Most of these strategies were honed through evolution and are adapted to their particular environments. But a common thread that underpins these strategies are shaped by trade-offs within the plant, whether it comes at a cost to growth, reproduction, or lifespan.